Welcome to the world of behavior-driven development. Behavior-driven development, often abbreviated as BDD, is a powerful approach to software development that emphasizes collaboration and clear communication. It's all about building software that truly meets the needs of your users and stakeholders. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts, benefits, and practical aspects of BDD. Behavior-driven development is a collaborative specification using examples. So, what exactly is behavior-driven development? Behavior-driven development is an agile software development approach that encourages collaboration between developers, quality assurance, and non-technical stakeholders in a software project through concrete examples. The BDD process can be visualized in a cycle. It starts with the discovery phase, leading to formulation, which then leads to development and finally automation. Behavior-driven development is guided by three core principles. First, enough is enough. Focus on the information that matters. Don't overanalyze or overdocument. Deliver just enough detail for effective collaboration. Second, deliver value first. Prioritize features that deliver the most business value. Focus on outcomes rather than outputs. Third, it's all behavior. Everyone should understand what the system does from an external perspective, not just how it's implemented internally. The behavior-driven development process involves three key stages. First, discovery, which involves collaborative exploration of requirements through examples and conversations involving the business side, developers, and testers. Next, formulation, which involves documenting examples in a structured format that can be automated. This involves business analysts and developers. Finally, automation, which involves converting documented examples into automated tests. This involves the developers and testers. Gherkin is a cornerstone of behavior-driven development. It provides a structured and human-readable way to describe the behavior of your software. Gherkin is a business-readable, domain-specific language that lets you describe software's behavior without detailing how that behavior is implemented. Keywords used in Gherkin syntax are feature, scenario, given, when, then, and but. Here's an example of a feature file using Gherkin syntax. Feature: user login. As a registered user, I want to log into the system so that I can access my account. Scenario: successful login. Given I am on the login page. When I enter valid credentials and I click the login button, then I should be redirected to my dashboard and I should see a welcome message. Let's take a look at an example of how Gherkin syntax is applied in a real-world scenario. Feature: ATM cash withdrawal. Scenario: account has sufficient funds. Given my account balance is $100 and the ATM contains enough money. When I withdraw $50, then I should receive $50 cash and my account balance should be $50 and the ATM's available cash should be reduced. Scenario: account has insufficient funds. Given my account balance is $20. When I attempt to withdraw $50, then I should see an error message and I should not receive any cash, and my account balance should remain $20. The key components of this are feature, which describes the high-level business functionality. Scenario, which is a specific example of how the feature should behave. Given, which sets up the initial context or preconditions. When, which describes the action or event. And then, which describes the expected outcomes or results. One of the key strengths of behavior-driven development is its ability to translate examples into automated tests. This ensures that your software behaves as expected and provides a safety net for future changes. Let's look at an example of how we go from Gherkin specification to automated tests. On the left, we have the Gherkin specification. Scenario: account has sufficient funds. Given my account balance is $100. When I withdraw $50, then my account balance should be $50. On the right, we have the automated test using Python with the Behave framework. Decorator: given, my account balance is $amount. Define set account balance. Amount equals integer of amount. Context account equals account. Context account set balance amount. Decorator when I withdraw dollar amount. Define withdraw amount context amount. Amount equals integer amount. Context response equals context account withdraw amount. Decorator then my account balance should be dollar amount. Define check balance context amount. Expected equals integer amount. Actual equals context account get balance. Assert actual equals expected. To implement behavior-driven development effectively, you'll need the right tools and frameworks. There are many options available depending on your programming language and testing preferences. Here are some popular choices. In the Java ecosystem, we have Cucumber-JVM, JBehave, Serenity BDD, and Spock. In JavaScript and TypeScript, we have Cucumber.js, Jest-Cucumber, Cypress-Cucumber, and Codecept.js. In Python and other languages, we have Behave, Python-BDD, SpecFlow, and RSpec. Behavior-driven development offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly improve your software development process. These include improved collaboration, as behavior-driven development creates a shared language between business stakeholders, developers, and quality assurance, fostering better communication and understanding. Living documentation. Behavior-driven development scenarios serve as both specifications and tests, creating documentation that always stays up to date with the actual system behavior. A focus on business value. Behavior-driven development centers development on delivering features that matter to users and stakeholders, ensuring alignment with business goals. And higher quality software. Behavior-driven development reduces defects by clarifying requirements before development and creating automated tests that verify the system works as expected. To maximize the benefits of behavior-driven development, it's essential to follow best practices. Start with the 3 amigos. Begin with a collaborative session involving business, product owner, development, and testing to ensure shared understanding. Focus on behavior, not implementation. Write scenarios that describe what the system should do, not how it's implemented. Use business language, not technical details. Write smart scenarios. Ensure scenarios are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-boxed. Each scenario should test one thing only. Avoid technical details in scenarios. Keep scenarios free from implementation specifics like cascading style sheet selectors, database queries, or technical jargon. Use domain-specific language. Develop a ubiquitous language that all team members understand and consistently use in scenarios and discussions. Maintain a living documentation system. Keep scenarios accessible to all stakeholders and regularly review them to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. Remember, behavior-driven development is about collaboration first, automation second. The primary goal is shared understanding. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.